Welcome to Akla Maths YouTube channel. Today's session we discuss Laplace transform part 2 video. Next problem. If f of t is equal to sin HCAT, then find L of f of t. Solution. We know that L of f of t is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus pt f of t into dt. So here f of t is sin HAT. So we replace f of t is sin HAT. That implies L of sin HAT is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus pt f of t is sin HAT into dt. Already we know that one formula, sin hx is equal to e power x minus e power minus x by 2. Sin hx is equal to e power x minus e power minus x by 2. So that is equal to L of sin HAT is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus pt. Here x is at. So e power at minus e power minus at by 2 into dt. So that is equal to integral 0 to infinity. So 1 by 2 is common. 1 by 2 is common. Integral 0 to infinity multiply e power minus pt into e power at, e power minus pt into e power at into dt. Separate the integration and minus integral 0 to infinity e power minus pt into e power minus at, e power minus pt into e power minus at into dt. That is equal to 1 by 2 into, so integral 0 to infinity, bases are equal, now exponents are adding, e power minus pt plus at into dt. Here also same, integral 0 to infinity e power minus pt minus at into dt. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into integral 0 to infinity e power, we take minus t is common, so p minus a into t into dt, minus integral 0 to infinity, we may take minus t is common, so e power minus of p plus a into t into dt. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into, this is in the form of integral e power x into dx. So that means e power minus of p minus a into t. Now differentiate with respect to t, that can be minus of p minus a. Limits are 0 to infinity. Limits are 0 to infinity. Minus integral e power x into dx means e power minus of p plus a into t. So this is also now differentiating with respect to t, minus of p plus a. Limits are 0 to infinity. So first of all we substitute upper limit means infinity. Replace t is equal to infinity. So 1 by 2 into e power, this one is p minus of p minus a into infinity means minus infinity by minus of minus 1 by p minus a is common, minus of 1 by p minus a is common. Now we substitute upper limit infinity, we replace p is equal to infinity, so e power minus of p minus a into infinity means e power minus infinity. Now we substitute lower limit p is equal to 0. So minus e power 0. Next. So minus into minus, it becomes positive. 1 by p plus a is constant. Now we substitute upper limit t is equal to infinity. So e power minus of p plus a into infinity means e power minus infinity. So we substitute lower limit t is equal to 0, e power 0. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into minus of 1 by p minus a into, this can be written as 1 by e power infinity. Minus e power 0 is 1 plus 1 by p plus a. So this can be written as 1 by e power infinity minus 1. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into minus of 1 by p minus a. 1 by e power infinity is infinity minus 1 plus 1 by p plus a. 1 by e power infinity means infinity minus 1. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into minus of 1 by p minus a. 1 by infinity is 0 minus 1 plus 1 by p plus a. 1 by infinity is 0 minus 1. That is equal to 1 by 2 into minus plus 1 by p minus a. Plus into minus means minus 1 by p plus a. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into LCM is p plus a into p minus a. LCM is p plus a into p minus a. So p minus a get cancelled. Remaining is p plus a minus p plus a cancel, p minus a. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into p plus a minus p plus a by a plus b into a minus b. P square minus a square. So minus p plus p get cancelled. That is equal to 1 by 2 into a plus a means 2a by p square minus a square. P square minus a square. So 2 get cancelled. That is equal to a by p square minus a square. Therefore, Laplace of sin hat is equal to Laplace of sin hat is equal to a by p square minus a square. If f of t is equal to e power iat, then find L of f of t. So solution, already we know that L of f of t is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus pt into f of t dt. Here f of t is e power iat. So we substitute here f of t value e power iat into dt. So here bases are equal. Now exponents are adding. So e power minus pt plus iat into dt. So now integrating, this is in the form of e power x. X means this one. So e power x means integral e power x dx is equal to e power x. So e power x. So here we differentiate with respect to t. Here minus of p minus ia into a. Now first of all we substitute upper limit. E power, we replace t is equal to infinity. E power minus infinity minus e power 0. So already we know that e power minus infinity means 1 by e power infinity. E power 0 means 1. So 1 by e power infinity. So e power infinity is infinity. E power 0 is 1. So minus 1 by p minus ia into 1 by infinity is 0 minus 1. So minus into minus plus 1 by p minus I into a. Therefore, L of e power iat equal to 1 by p minus ia. 1 by p minus ia. Already we know that Laplace of e power iat is equal to 1 by p minus ia. Now rationalizing p minus ia, so p plus ia is the rationalized factor of p minus ia. So p plus ia by p minus ia into p plus ia. So this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. Here already we know that one formula, I square is equal to minus 1. So here a means p. So p square minus a square minus b square. B square means I square into a square. So I square is minus 1. That implies p square minus into minus plus. So p square plus a square. So p plus ia by p square plus a square. Already we know that e power iax is equal to cos x plus I sin x. So here e power ix, x means at. So Laplace of e power iat can be written as L of e power iat is equal to L of, here x is at. So cos of at plus I into sin at. So L of Laplace of cos at plus I sin at is equal to p by ia by p plus ia by p square plus a square. So this is the real part. P by p square plus a square is the real part, and a by p square plus a square is the imaginary part. So Laplace of cos at plus I into Laplace of sin at is equal to, so this is the real part and this is the imaginary part. Now comparing on both sides, real and imaginary parts. So this is the real part. This is the real part. So L of cos at is equal to L of cos at is equal to L of cos at is equal to p by p square plus a square. P by p square plus a square. And imaginary part is here I is the imaginary part. L of sin at is equal to L of sin at is equal to, so here I is the imaginary part. So a by p square plus a square. That means Laplace of cos at is equal to p square by p square plus a square, and Laplace of sin at is equal to a by p square plus a square. Next problem. If f of t is equal to cos h at, then find L of f of t. We know that L of f of t is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus pt into f of t dt. Here given that f of t is equal to cos h at. So f of t, we replace f of t is cos h at. Already we know that one formula, cos hx is equal to e power x plus e power minus x by 2. Cos hx is e power x plus e power minus x by 2. Here x is at. X is at. So this can be written as e power at plus e power minus at by 2. We replace x is at. So e power at plus e power minus at by 2 into dt. Now multiply So 1 by 2 is common. 1 by 2 into, now multiply e power minus pt into e power at dt plus integral 0 to infinity e power pt e power minus pt into e power minus at into dt. So here bases are equal. So now exponents are adding. So minus pt plus at. So here we common minus p minus a into p. So this is also bases are equal. Now exponents are adding. So minus pt minus at. So here minus t is common. So p plus a into t into dt. So this is in the form of integral e power x into dx. This is also e power x into dx. E power x means e power x. X is totally this one. So now differentiate with respect to t. So minus of p minus a, 0 to infinity. Here also e power x means e power x by, now differentiate with respect to t, minus of p plus a. Now first we substitute upper limit, infinity. We replace t is equal to infinity. So e power infinity minus e power, now we replace 0. T is equal to 0. E power 0. In same way, we replace t is equal to infinity and t is equal to 0. F of b minus f of a formula. So e power minus infinity is 1 by e power infinity. E power minus infinity is 1 by e power infinity. So 1 by e power infinity means e infinity. So 1 by infinity is 0. So e power minus infinity value is 0. E power 0 is 1. So here also e power minus infinity is 0 and e power 0 is 1. So 1 by 2 into minus into minus plus, that means 1 by p minus a. Next minus into minus plus 1 by p plus a. That is equal to 1 by 2 into LCM is p plus a into p minus a. P plus a into p minus a. So p minus a get cancelled. Here p plus a plus p plus a get cancelled. P minus a. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into minus a plus a get cancelled. P plus p means 2p by a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. So 2 get cancelled. That is equal to p by p square minus a square. So therefore Laplace of cos hat is equal to p by p square minus a square. Laplace of cos hat is equal to p by p square minus a square.